Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a level 60 or access to one, and a committed 40-player raid group. Once done, assign roles, tanks, healers, DPS, and reserve a warlock for raid summons. This reduces travel friction. Make sure to coordinate loot rules and appoint a loot master who will note rare drop attempts. You'll need patience. The Swift Zulian Tiger drops from High Priest Thekel and other bosses, therefore, get your raid organized and begin weekly run scheduling now. Once the raid begins, focus on efficient pulls. Skip optional trash that wastes raid cooldowns and funnel mana into key encounters. You need tight execution against High Priest Thekel and Jindo the Hexer. These fights feature mechanics where missteps cost wipes and time. Make sure to swap in players with increased drop luck items or guild-wide attendance bonuses if available, and rotate loot priority so everyone knows how mount rolls will be handled, keeping morale high for repeated attempts. You finish a run by immediately checking loot and logging rolls. If the Swift Zulian Tiger doesn't drop, reset and plan another attempt. This is RNG, so persistence wins. Make sure to maintain a clear role order and communicate tiebreakers to avoid arguments, and rotate alts or recruit cross-guild players to maximize weekly kill opportunities. If you encounter repeated issues, troubleshoot by auditing raid composition, consumable usage, and kill speed. Improvements there increase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.